Today we are testing out this Milwaukee vacuum cleaner. Let's open it up. Got your attachments. Here's a battery. M18, let's see if it's charged. And it is fully charged. So we're gonna do this in my dirty truck. Especially right here, we're gonna test it out. Got kids. Close the lid. Make sure that's locked, that's the power button. Oh, I gotta get a new attachment. This thing works pretty good. I like it. Works pretty well. I'm going to continue to vacuum my truck out, and we'll look at it when it's done. Well, so for the most part, it did what I needed it to do. Is it very powerful? No, not really. Does it work for shop or just trying to clean something up? I really got to clean all that. I got to wash the truck, but there was all that grass and stuff in there. So it'll be all right. Let's look inside. Yeah. Yeah, pretty good vacuum. Did what I needed it to do. Look at good goldfish in there from the kids. So it'd be worth it if you guys wanted to buy one. This one was actually free. Found it here at work. So we'll keep the batteries charged on this thing and use it. So would I buy one? Absolutely. To have around the house, around the shop, just for little minor things like that. If you're a professional detail business, no. But if you just need it around, you're working at a dealership or whatever to clean out, you know, some of the mess you made or clean up after the kids at home, yeah, definitely would get one. This is the wet dry vacuum, and it's a pack out 2.5 gallon. The trying to find a part number on here. 097020. Pretty cool. Appreciate it, you guys. Love you. See you on the next one.